in parallel to create 2 ohms for the amplifier. What you'll do is connect the positive side of one coil to the positive of the other coil. You'll do the exact same thing with the negative side. So you'll take the negative one coil and connect it to the negative of the other coil. So now you can see our connections are parallel, red to red, black to black. This will create a 4 ohm load, 4 ohm load to a 2 ohm load at the amplifier. Not all amplifiers can support a 2 ohm load. 2-channel amplifiers typically, when run in stereo, have a maximum load of 2 ohms, meaning you can't go any lower.